Hi. In the framework of the course question, how can we understand the complexity of communication? The study presented in this article is a qualitative study on a new phenomenon in romantic relationships, the presence of the cell phone. The study tries to figure out whether and what kind of expectations people have regarding the presence of the cell phone in face-to-face interaction, and whether and how they react to violations of these expectations. The theoretical background is the expectancy violation theory. 51 individuals in 10 focus groups were interviewed using a semi-structured interview, meaning that a limited number of closed and open questions were used to start, direct and facilitate the group communication process. The researchers' role was to promote positive group dynamics and keep the conversation flowing. That is, to help people in the group react to each other, chaining and cascading. All group meetings were videotaped and transcribed. Thematic analysis was used to uncover experiences, meanings and reality of participants. The researchers started with 3 transcripts to find initial patterns and then shared the patterns they found. Next, the remaining scripts were coded on the presence of expectancies, violations and responses against the background of the expectancy violation theory. Researcher triangulation was used, independently coding and then comparing results. The type of outcome of such a qualitative study is something like: overall, taking together the different responses and wordings of people. People indeed have expectations that are sometimes violated, which they notice and disapprove, but context makes a difference. That's the kind of result from a qualitative study. You read the results yourself. Because it handles about a relatively new phenomenon, a qualitative study is appropriate. By asking participants in depth how they think and what they experience, new aspects may be found. The next step could be a quantitative study, a survey or an experiment.